Say hello. Say hello to the video.
Hello. Hello.
Get from my camera. You're gonna fall like that, Gabriel. My God. You're gonna get bloody toes, Brian. You're gonna get bloody toes, I warn you. Yeah, then you better stop jumping. Because you have shoes on. But jumping's gonna stop now. No more jumping! Lily, show how you swim. Show me how you swim for Opa and Oma. We have to float, eh? Gabriel, don't do that no more. You're gonna get owie. Get Lily, take your float off and show how you swim. Take your float off and show me how you swim. Take it off. Come on. Don't be stupid. Or I'm taking the video off. Lily, swim for me, please. Swim. Show me how you swim. Go from the deep end to the shallow, whatever you call it. Brian. Lily with no floats on. Lily, show me how you swim from there. Go swim to the deep end. What's up, Lily?
In de gat. Wat is dit? Ga hem niet met mij verder. Ga je verder.
Lily's swimming alone with no floats on.